Hi everyone. Today I have the Kinder's The Blend seasoning. We are big fans of Kinder's in our household. We have a lot of their seasonings because they just make everything a lot easier. This one is super simple. The blend is just salt, pepper, garlic, some sunflower oil, and we really use it on a lot of different things. I would say that the food we use it on the most is when we make chicken in a variety of ways, but it's really great if you're doing like sheet pan chicken and veggies or even French fries. Just adding this seasoning is super easy where it's all blended together and it makes cooking just a lot easier. So I'll let you all see just this is what the packaging looks like. And then you will of course have your openings, and then this one allows you just to see what it looks like. You can see that crunchy garlic in there too. But this is a really great, easy way to add some nice flavor to a lot of different things that you're cooking.